Okay, this is it. I'm out of the hospital. I'm okay. My CO2 levels back to down where it's supposed to be. Got a little singed hair on my head, and I'm an idiot for going in the house. Shouldn't have went back in the garage and tried to do anything. Should have just waited on the fire department, but I'm an idiot. So I'll take the blame for that. On that part, I'm gonna try to turn the camera around and give you a quick little tour. Yeah, I'm still wearing a Clemson hat. I'm proud of it. Don't think it'll ever come off. I ain't taking that hat off. But let me see if I can get another shot here going the other way, and we'll give you a little tour of what's always going on and what's gone. It's not good. Not good at all. Talk later. Well, I guess we can start here. This is my garage door. That's my piano I was gonna burn. So much for that damn idea. Anyway, I wasn't gonna burn it here. I was gonna move it. Anyway, let's go in, look around. It's gonna be dark in here, so y'all just have to deal with the light. I'm doing the best I can do to get you some light. Here's Big Girl. Big Girl's fine. It's singed a little bit. It's got some soot on it. It needs cleaning up, but she'll be fine. The mold, I got a mold on it for that new thing right now. It's still good. All my other machinery's pretty much, I don't know. I'm thinking a lot of it's toast. I'm 900% sure that 12-inch bandsaw's gone. To give y'all an idea of what's going on, and just look at the area, the height of where the damage is. And if you watch that angle right there, I want you to look around the room and see that everything from this point up in this garage, and there's a lot. I mean, a lot of stuff on the shelves, but there's a California sluice high banker, the original one I bought many years ago that got me kind of started doing plastics. It's in a pile melted up there, just in a blob. And there's a lot of that in the shop, guys, a lot. There's the inside of the garage door from this side, looking out. Here's, like I say, Big Girl was below the heat, so the heat didn't get to her, but it got all my shipping boxes. It got all my parts and bolts and nuts, and all those shipping boxes are all crashed into there and all gone where I tore the windows out. My air conditioner got tore out. I'm going to see if I can get in a little closer. It's dark, I know, but this is the new sluice. This is what ended up, the top section of it. It's gone about, I don't know, 6 inches, 4 or 5 inches of it's gone, I guess. This pile here will give you a real good idea of what's happening. You see that piece? You see that piece? They're shot. They're no good. They're garbage. But you get down to here, and those, till I get them out and put water in them and let her check them and make sure they're still flat, I can't guarantee it, but I don't think anything below here in this level in the shop was, you know, hurt. I do have to say that if you need a go around anytime soon, it's going to be a little while till I get back in production, looks like, because they're talking a while before I get power back, the house back to where I can live in it and all that. Everything from here up, I mean, all of it's, everything up there's gone. It's all just melted. This may be the craziest thing of the whole thing. These guitars I've been working on, which are ugly pieces of junk, that I learned to work on, some reason they don't have any fire around them. And the wall's not dark. Don't ask me, I don't know. I, for the hell of me, can't figure that out. The CNC machine is pretty toasty. And it looks like, yeah, pretty major repair, if not total loss on this corner of it back here. That's the electrical outlet that the oven was plugged into right there. It burned up everything in this corner, went up into the ceiling, got up into the attic, burned up the wires from a security system, got the plastic container on top of the freezer, and just so you'll know exactly what heights we're talking about here. You see that blob of plastic right there? That blob of plastic is even with my nose, and my stupid ass was in here walking around trying to put this fire out. Oh man, some things you do. Here's the culprit. It's just a plain old stove like anybody has in their house. And you have these electronic section here where you do the timers and turn on the ovens and stuff. And you have these controls where you turn on the eyes. Well, they're all gone. All that melted away. And here's all the eyes here. They're still there. They were fine. I started the oven up and turned it on. Hit the start button. I walked in the house. And within 2 minutes, the garage was ablaze. Over this way, my big toolbox with all my stuff on it. I think it's pretty good. I don't think anything got hurt in it. There's the door going in the house. There's the beams in the ceiling. Here's somebody's Ready Roadie Go guitar work stand that I had built. There's the pads for it that the guitar set on. There's the brace piece that the guitar sits on. The wooden stalk for it, I guess that'd be it right here. It looks like it right there. That's $250 gone. Looks like the planer made it through okay, but definitely lost the bandsaw. Don't know about the others till we check them. I mean, with all this soot, I don't even know if they'll run anymore. Don't look like it melted my ladder. It was just like 2 inches from melting my ladder. Check that out. We didn't need much to get down low enough to melt that ladder, did we? Yep, it's pretty bad, guys. I'm gonna pull all my eBay ads off and all my Etsy ads, and my website's not running it. I'll shut it back. And when I get back on my feet, me and the big girl will make y'all some parts, guys. Okay, well that's the idea of what's happening in the world in the shop over here. Things will get better. Don't worry. We'll let it dry and dust that sucker off.